Let me show you how easy it is to generate a video using ChatGPT. You don't even need a paid ChatGPT Plus subscription for this, you can just use the free version. First, we'll go to ChatGPT, then open the Explore GPTs tab. We'll search for free AI video and then choose Flixier VideoGPT. After selecting it, we'll click Start Chat, and here we'll need to enter a prompt. To get the best video possible, we'll need to enter a detailed prompt so ChatGPT and Flixier can understand what we want. For example, we could just tell it to generate a video about a penguin, but the more refined and specific our prompt is, the better the video is going to be. So instead, we can be more specific and ask it to generate a video about the life of penguins in Antarctica using a hero's journey storytelling style. We can also tell it to include as many accurate details as possible about their life. After this, Flixier GPT will ask us a few more things. What our target audience is, what we want the tone of our video to be, and how long we want our video to be. It's also very important to keep in mind that Flixier can generate videos in both landscape and vertical formats, so make sure to specify whether you want 16:9 or 9:16 depending on what you need. We'll generate our video in 9:16 format for YouTube and make it approximately 30 seconds long. After doing this, all we have to do is confirm and wait a few seconds for our video to be generated. With this information, Flixier is going to generate our script. Afterward, it's gonna ask us if we want a male or female voice to narrate the video. This choice isn't super important since you can always change the voice later. And now our video is done.
In the icy realm of Antarctica, our hero, the emperor penguin, begins its journey. Born in the darkest winter, it braves freezing winds for survival.
You can hear that the narration is very realistic and the images and transitions all flow together smoothly. However, we can still make some modifications to make it even better. For example, we can choose a different look for our subtitles or go to the media section to regenerate any image we don't like. After making sure that everything looks okay, we can also change the voice. We can either choose a different AI voice from the library or even clone our own voice. If you decide to clone your own voice, you'll need to read a few prompts out loud into the microphone to give the AI a good understanding of what you sound like and make the AI version as natural as possible. Now, if you're happy with the video, you can export it and have it ready to download or share on social media in just a few seconds. If you want to make more in-depth edits or add some of your own sound effects and footage, you can click Edit More to open it in the Flixier editor and edit it any way you want. And this is how you can generate a video using ChatGPT. The first video is free, but if you want to generate a lot of them, you will eventually have to upgrade to a paid Flixier subscription. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want us to go into detail about a specific use case for these types of AI videos, then make sure to drop it in the comments below.